Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Crazy Country Couponer, and we're on a field trip. And you want to know what we found. So come on in, and on your way in, please like the video and share. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, you don't want to miss deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, awesome information, hanging out with, well, the craziest friends that's full of the best information. You don't want to miss any of that. So make sure you hit the subscription button below. Let's do it right now. That way you don't have to remember or be reminded. It'll all be done. Make sure all your notifications are on. Okay, yes. Do y'all remember that $7 Airwick coupon that was glitching and then they fixed it? Well, now it's glitching again, and it is attaching to the 650 Airwick Essential Oils. Now that's a totally free product. It's lavender and chamomile. So put this in your bedroom. It'll help you sleep. Absolutely free in a new operating system store and 50 cent average in an older operating system store. Now I came up here to take advantage of these paper towel deals. I am going to pick me up these True Living Essentials. That's going to be $3.50, and some sparkle that's on sale today for the last day of our 2-day sale. Guys, this is our next super glitch. This is a run glitch, okay? Because they're either going to stop this or these are all going to be gone. Now this is the sale that's good until September 9th on your red dot or your drinkware, bedding, or home decor. Now on these super value washcloths, 18 packs of washcloths, it's supposed to be buy one get one 50% off. They are $5.50 a piece. These are ringing up for $2.50. Okay, so 2 of these would actually be $5. It's actually buy one get one free. 32 washcloths for $5. So let's scan some more. Comfort Bay clear shower curtain or liner is ringing up for $3.13. So it too is ringing up for 50% off. These are coming up to $2.75 for the super value multi-purpose 18 pack. These ones are the colored ones, and they actually look like they're a little better quality than the white ones. But for $2.75, 18 of these, I mean, that's just pennies a cloth. And they are the super value. Okay guys, I'm at home now. I ended up just getting some paper towels, and I paid $6 and what was it, $6.50, it looks like. $6.50 for a 2-pack of the Bounty Essentials and the 6-pack of the True Living paper towels. So that's 2 mega rolls and 6 regular rolls for $6 and change. And I think that's a pretty decent deal, guys. Or a winner. Chicken dinner. So blessings. We'll talk again real soon, because there's more deals, steals, glitches, and free stuff and information.